Hi, today I want to quickly explain how to use AnoVPN to surf the internet anonymously. When you visit the site for the first time, an anonymous account is created for you. And you get a recovery code. Keep this code safe because it lets you restore the same account anywhere. So, if you later decide to use the Telegram bot or the mini app, you just enter the recovery code to load your account from the website into the app. Exactly. The most important thing is you first need some credit. Go to Fund Now, enter the amount you want, like 10, then pick a coin to pay with. We actually have over 200 of them. Then just hit Pay Now. Just follow what the bot says, send the money to the address, and it takes a few minutes for it to show up on your balance. You can also earn money by clicking on Affiliate, where you get your own links to share. If someone signs up through your link and adds funds, you get 15% of what they add. So if they add $10, you get well over 50 cents. So once you've got credit in your account, just go here if you want a VPN to the VPN. Duration. There are different ones. I'll just pick one day to show you. After entering your username and password, hit Pay Now. That process only takes a few seconds, really just a moment, and then it'll show you the details of your VPN. Just give me 1 second here. So, now you can already see the order ID, keep it handy in case any problems pop up. Now you can check your username, see exactly when it expires, and also pick the server you want to use right from the list here. And you can leave the port as is if you're not that tech savvy. It's the best choice. Grab the config files for OpenVPN or WireGuard. Download config file. Then just import it into WireGuard or OpenVPN and you're good to go. Why choose AnoVPN? First, we have a great choice of locations. You can use up to 10 devices per account. We offer 1 and 10 gigabit per second speeds. Fast speeds, no logs. Servers run on RAM, so data clears when powered off. No data is logged anywhere else. Even if the device loses power, all data is gone since RAM clears on power loss. So, there's nothing to find out. Unlimited downloads. Peer-to-peer is allowed. No logs, definitely. Yeah, exactly. If you're not sure how to use a VPN, you can always check out our tutorial on how to use one. If you go there, you will first get download links for OpenVPN and WireGuard, plus quick install guides or user manuals and a few FAQs. But if you already know how it works, after ordering a VPN, you can just click on My VPNs. Here's your overview. As you see, I already have one. And there, you can view your passwords, select servers again, download all your configurations, and if you're using the Telegram mini app, you can't download anything directly from Telegram. Instead, you can press Send OpenVPN to Telegram, or send WireGuard to Telegram to send the config file to your Telegram chat. Exactly. You can also see exactly when it expires and how long your subscription lasts in total. So, the VPN account we just ordered is one I've had before. You can extend your VPN anytime by clicking the Extend button. Then pick how long, days, weeks, or months, and confirm. Your subscription extends automatically. After that, just set it up on your phone or PC, activate the connection, and you're secure and anonymous online, no matter what you're doing. Exactly. That's it for now. If you have any questions or if anything isn't clear, just contact support or check the FAQs and tutorial sections for help. Right. I hope it was pretty clear. If you have any questions, just reach out. Bye.